What's wrong with your laptop, James?
The fan in my laptop is just crazy. It's been making noise the last few days and going crazy, and then now I think it's just deciding to give up altogether. It's not good.
What would it sound like?
Basically like that. So it has been making loads of noise, but it started making less noise, which might be a good thing, but I think it's actually more just that the fan is exploding.
So what are you going to do to sort this problem, James?
I'm gonna order a new fan on the internet.
Ordered?
Perfect.
What are you doing, James?
Waiting for my fan.
What are you doing there, James?
Waiting for my fan.
What's wrong, James?
Still not here.
What's up, James?
Still waiting for my fan.
James? Was there any post today?
Sure was. My fan is here. It's fantastic.
Oh.
So, new fan opening time. Everybody has to open stuff. Goddamn.
Do you like packages, James?
Who doesn't?
Getting presents in the post that you paid for.
And the receipt.
The instructions, the manual, very important.
And look, it's the fancy new fan. So quiet.
Yay!
Woo!
So what's the time for now, James?
Time to put it in my laptop, I suppose.
It's time to put it in your laptop.
Open sesame!
Do you know how to do this?
What? Yeah? That was a confident yeah, wasn't it?
Yes, we'll see.
Okay, time to put this new fan right in here. Here we go. Old fan out. Yeah, that should spin. That's not spinning at all. That's probably why it's not working anymore. That's not good. Okay. New fan time. This one spins. You can spin it and you can feel the heat or the air coming off it like that. Okay. Okay. Time to try this out. Hopefully it's gonna be quiet and work. I hear the sound of a normal fan. Woo! Mission successful.